Off the coast of Marine Corps Base, Hawaii, Explosive Ordnance Disposal Mobile Unit 1 technicians cruised Kaneohe Bay during Rim of the Pacific 2010 to test their new Unmanned Underwater Vehicle, or UUV, the REMUS 600. Their first remote environmental measuring unit, the REMUS 100, has taken some of the more hazardous jobs, keeping divers and their mammal counterparts from making initial mapping of potential minefields.
These vehicles are currently equipped with sonars that are capable of doing some of the mine countermeasures missions.
Once the EOD technicians drop the vehicle in the water, it becomes autonomous, running pre-selected routes to map an entire area with sonar. But these technicians don't have to wait for the REMUS to surface to get information.
It gives us data like GPS location, how many tracks it's on, battery life, total time remaining, that's speed, heading.
It has a battery life of up to 70 hours, can dive down to 600 meters, and triples the sonar reach of the previous models.
The REMUS 600 has more capability than the 100s does, so we're just trying to, it's a faster vehicle, it's a larger sonar range, so we can go in and do a mission with this vehicle a little bit faster than the 100s can.
With its increased capability now, and modulated to adapt to future technologies already in the works, it won't be long before the REMUS 600 is keeping EOD divers and their marine mammals from swimming through unmapped minefields. Kaneohe Jones, Kaneohe Bay, Hawaii.
Are you going to do that and the nose? Forward! All right, coming down. Neutral! Right here. Got it.
And then gives us data like GPS location, how many tracks it's on, battery life, total time remaining, that's speed, heading, how long it's had since it's had to fix.